What's up, guys? Welcome to another Macro Tip Tuesday. What are you doing? I'm going to give the people what they want. They want the cracked chicken recipe.
Well, I mean, this is like Macro Tip Tuesday. We don't usually do the recipe.
No, we're going to give the people what they want. Let's roll it. Okay? I guess we're doing the recipe. Let's go.
Hey guys, it's Josh and Cass, and we are making some cracked chicken for dinner.
In the Instant Pot.
Thanks for cutting me off.
Okay, so all you're gonna need is an Instant Pot, chicken breast, cream cheese, and ranch dip.
Ranch dip.
So the first step is to get a notepad so you can write down the weight of everything that you're gonna do. And then you're going to weigh out the pot. So our pot weighs,
I guess 860.
797.
Close.
And so I'm gonna write that down. Pot, 797 grams. Okay. Pot goes back in. We already weighed out our chicken. It's 2 pounds and 14 ounces or 1,313 grams. So it's just going to go into the pot. And it was frozen, so we thawed it out in this. Then we're gonna add in, super easy, just throw in your cream cheese. Since we have almost 3 pounds, we're doing 3 boxes of cream cheese and 3 things of that. If you do 2 pounds, I would just do 2 boxes of cream cheese and 2 packets of ranch.
It's a race. And as Cass said, you must throw it in. She didn't throw it in. She didn't even follow her own instructions.
Okay, so 3 blocks of cream cheese, about 3 pounds of chicken, and then 3 packets of ranch dressing, or ranch seasoning. You just pour it in, and then I'm gonna need a cup of water from my lovely assistant.
She's my assistant.
To pour it in there.
I'm just kidding.
You spilled it. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a little shaky. And that's all. So you're going to put your lid on.
Wait for it. No. Real quiet. Shh. The best noise ever.
Okay, then you're gonna put it on manual, high pressure, which it's already on high pressure. And then we're gonna do it for 18 minutes, since it's 3 pounds. Make sure you set your vent to ceiling, and then we'll be back whenever this comes to pressure, and then 18 minutes passed. Okay, so Instant Pot was up. I did a quick release, and then I used my hand mixer to shred the chicken. And then I'm just gonna add in 1 7-ounce can of green chilies for a little extra flavor. Give it a stir. And then we're going to weigh out the pot. 2974. And then we'll put it back here. And then you're gonna subtract the weight that you just got by the weight of your pot. So ours was 797. So grab your calculator, 2974. All right, so our total number is 2,177. So that's the amount of servings you're gonna make in your MyFitnessPal. And then you'll just be able to weigh it out by the gram. I'm gonna eat it on some toast or a piece of bread. You can have it in a taco, whatever you want. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and let us know if you like it. Bye.
If you enjoyed this recipe and you're a current Macroholics client, we'd be more than happy to text it to you so you don't have to go through the headache of logging each and every ingredient manually. Just send us a text message from the number we currently have on file for you, and we'll get it back to you shortly. From there, you can adjust the serving size however you need to for your unique needs. Thanks for watching, guys.